Level 1 snow.
What? Song, this is nothing. Give me a real challenge.
Yeah, if you think that's bad, come to Canada.
Level 2 snow.
Okay, it's getting a little cold.
Yeah, this guy would never survive Canada.
Level 3 snow.
No, I'm good.
I mean, now he's doing pretty good. Maybe he would.
Now level 4 snow.
This snow's not beating me.
That's the average here in winter.
Now let's see if you can handle level 5 snow.
It's getting really strong.
I don't even think I could handle that.
Now level 6 snow.
I don't know how much more I can take.
Subscribe and I'll show you the final level of snow.
I'm not subscribing, but subscribe to me to see this.
Here we go.
It's so